Quiero decirle del equipo de demostración, bienvenidos a FIDAE y disfruten el show. What I just said was from the demonstration team. I'd like to welcome you to FIDAE, and I hope that you enjoy the show.
Opening ceremonies for FIDAE 2002 took place on 1 April. The ribbon cutting ceremony was accomplished by the President of Chile and his Defense Minister. Later that evening, at our static display set up in front of the Lockheed booth, the Defense Minister stopped by, as well as the Chief of Staff of the Chilean Air Force and General Hobbins, the 12th Air Force Commander, and his staff. FIDAE 2002 is a biannual air show that's the biggest in Central and South America, and General Hobbins is the 12th Air Force Commander. He comes down here to show the Chileans the support America has for South American ops, and also I'm liking to think that he came down to also give us a pat on the back as his 12th Air Force demonstration team.
The precision show launch, it's for the Viper West, it's for the demonstration team. It's a routine that we came up with a few years ago. Show launch consists of A, B, and C man, and we're moving anything that we're doing to do a check is congruent. We're together. A man is in front giving us the signals, and the B and C man are on the side of each side of the aircraft, and he's telling us basically what to do. And every time we do our checks, we're coming in together, we're going out together, and everything's congruent, and it looks real sharp, it looks really crisp.
We flew from Hill Air Force Base to Miami, which was about 4 hours of flight. Spent the night there and then flew 9.5 hours with a tanker from Miami to Santiago, Chile. And I flew one jet and Captain Shepard flew the other jet. My job now is to narrate, and since I'm a Spanish speaker, I was the guy picked to come to the Santiago Air Show and narrate everything in Spanish.
Falcón luchador. Jugó un papel elemental en la defensa de los Estados Unidos durante la década pasada.
Well, my responsibilities are to ensure the safety of the aircraft, the personnel, from the time they arrive to the time they leave, to ensure we have a safe mission while we're deployed here at Santiago, Chile.
After every flight, we do an intake inspection to verify that there's no damage to the first stage fan blades, front frame IGB struts, the intake itself, and sensors inside the intake.
We take off and go right into a Cuban 8, which is kind of like two loops side by side. We go into high G turns, a number of rolling maneuvers, turning maneuvers, a max climb with rolls where I'll climb up to 20,000 feet above the field and can still keep going in this plane. Some diving maneuvers, that type of stuff.